Hey everyone, it's Diana from Adventures with Art, and I wanted to do an overview of how to use Printify for custom products. So if you offer something in your store where you put on, your customer's photo or customized text or anything that's a one-off that wouldn't be just sending out and manufacturing the same design over and over again, but that there's some customization to it. How do you do that with print on demand? And how do you do that specifically with Printify? It can seem a little confusing, so we're going to walk through the steps right now. But before we get started, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure to come back to Adventures with Art. We love to talk about art. We love to talk about print on demand and making money with your art, which is always a great thing. All right, so how do you get started? Let's say that someone on your Etsy, Shopify store has bought a product. It's a custom product. They have sent you the customizations, whether that be the text, the image, and you have designed it for them. So in order to use Printify, in order to make those custom designs, you will need to have the design ready to go. There is a way to do custom text within Printify, which I'll show you. But if you have, images and stuff like that, you're going to want to have that design ready to go. So whether you design that in Canva, Photoshop, wherever you have that ready, make sure that is downloaded and ready to go for your customer. So what you're going to do is you are going to find the product you are looking for that you're going to need to make for your customer. Let's say they ordered a mug. You're going to come into mugs, pick whichever mug they ordered. Let's say it was this one. You're going to scroll down and you are going to pick your, preferred provider and click Start Designing. All right, so now click Add Your Design. This is when you are going to want to import the design you have just created for your customer, whether that be on your device or through a cloud platform. Usually mine I keep just stored on my computer. We're going to pretend I've done that. This is not a custom design, but we're going to pretend like it is. Just position your design wherever you like. I usually like to have 2 copies of it, one on each side. So you're going to click Add Layer to add another copy of that design. You want to make sure it's the same size. You can check that by going over here. You'll see the sizes, the width and the height. That way you can make sure that they're the same size and not going to be wonky. 4.8, 4.9, there you go. Position it so it's right across. There you have it. Let's say your design is consistent, so you use the same generic design, but they just have some custom text. How can you do that? You can actually do it right in Printify. So you're going to click Add Layer, click Custom Text. It's going to create some custom text here, and you'll be able to adjust that. It looks a little big, given my design is pretty big right here, but you'll be able to change the text here. Test. You can change the color and the font. So that's a way to just quickly add some custom text if that's the only thing that your customer has customized. So let's say your customer's design is fully ready to go. It's on the mug. You are ready to ship it out and get that processed. What you're going to do is you're going to click Save Product. Wait for that to process. And as you can see, we have the mug is now listed here within our products. Now, what you're going to do is you are not going to push this green publish button. Do not push that. That's what that is going to do is it's going to sync it to your store. So then you will have your customer's custom design now available for anyone to purchase on your store. So you do not want to push this green button. What you're going to do is you're going to come over to these 3 little dots here, and you're going to click Create Order. What this is going to allow you to do is to then process this order just for that one customer. You'll add their shipping information and confirm their order. This will allow it to have that one design, that one custom design go to your customer. Something to note is that when you do this, your product will not be synced to your store, right? So, normally when you use like Printify or Printful or other print-on-demand companies that sync really well with Etsy or Shopify, um, what will happen is that the order will come in, it will import it, it will ship it out, and then it will update your customer that it has been sent. When you create these manual orders, it will not do that. So you'll just want to keep an eye on your dashboard. You'll want to click on your orders up here and make sure that whenever that ships out, you are then manually updating it in Etsy, letting your customer know that it shipped, and sending them that tracking information. So I hope that was helpful. That's just a quick way of how you can create custom orders, custom products for your customers using print-on-demand companies, without having it be that automatic fulfillment process, but using it more in a manual way. Again, I hope that was helpful. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.